In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change background in DaVinci Resolve 18. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily manage the background color of your video, of your timeline, and so on. Keep in mind that for this video, I'm going to give you very basic instructions on how to manage the solid color of a background. There are other effects that you might want to achieve, like isolating a person and removing the background entirely of all of the frames of a video, but for this video it's not what I'm going to cover. That will require you to have the paid version and a little bit more technical knowledge. For this video, what I wanted to showcase is the solid color option. So if you go over to the toolbox, extend it, and you head over to generators, you will find solid color. You can drag this onto your timeline and change it here. And then once you have solid color, under the video tab, you can select generator and choose a particular color. So you can select from any of these basic colors. You can choose from the screen, so from the video, and the gradient here. You can also configure the color by using these sliders such as hue, saturation, value, and then an HTML code, and you can add custom ones. This will allow you to easily set up a solid colored background on DaVinci Resolve 18. You can extend it to certain portions of the video, like when you are doing a transition or talking about something unrelated and you just want to have the background colored, or you can use it across all of the video and so on. You can add multiple different colors and manage all of them here. There are other options to use, but solid color is going to be the best if you just want a single color in your video across specific portions. If you would like to remove the background and keep a particular person or object, then you have to look into other techniques that are a little bit more advanced, like masking and rotoscoping. I hope I was able to help you on how to change background in DaVinci Resolve 18. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.